going Disneyland.
Oh, we're supposed to be here first.
Oh yeah, New York first. We have a lot of plans, but until now we don't.
Let's go in June. Birthday.
Sure.
June, we'll file a vacation.
Are we gonna find a vacation? When?
Yeah, so we can take the boat to the statistic release.
Okay. I need to file a vacation.
Okay.
You give me your plan so that I can book the vacation. Ikaw na makahabulin ko.
Okay, yeah.
Because I'm going to, I'm going to file earlier than you.
How soon? Like a month?
Yes, a month.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Yeah. I-stop talaga niya yung music, no?
Even though my car, pero ma-upgrade yung car mo pa siya.
Oh, you see?
I can upgrade my car anytime now.
You see the police?
Oh yeah, good. I didn't know that. But they're here,
Right inside, you see it?
the other side, yeah. Oh, see that? It's getting, the weather's getting good, so not to police is out.
Oh, it's just
Actually, every time. I noticed the one, yeah. Every time.
Binabaril niya,
Oh.
Pili.
Ah,
Paano yan? Yung
May speed gun siya.
Speed gun siya. Kumuha ka na ng US mo. Right? Kumuha ka na ng ano mo.
Ay, naman
There's a speed trap ahead.
naman natikitan ko. Natikitan sa bahay. Nag-park sa harap ng bahay.
Nag-park ako. Just like not even 10 minutes. I just drop my things and then pick my doctor sa...
Full of the guy.
The guy?
There's a small speed trap here.
Oo.
There.
So natikitan ako. So, may ticket.
$50 din yan.
$50.
May tax pa.
With tax.
Is that police?
Yes.
Desai, sino Desai?
Siya, Isay.
Desai yung doktor. Wala.
Wala.
Alaga lang na. Absent ang yan.
Pinaglalaruan.
It's swerving, man.
Sala din.
Fall asleep. Stay back there.
Yung sumama, wala sa alasa eh. Pag-minsan na padalas daw silang wala.
Sana nakalimutan mong makeup ka. Ha? Nakalimutan mong makeup? Nakalimutan mo na din makeup. Okay naman, maganda ka naman ng makeup. Right na na to? Even she doesn't have the makeup, it's still beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You smile.
Yeah. Right. You know, simplicity is beauty. Right? Right, Fernanda?
Even though you have like a dirt in your eye.
Drive ka dito, tsaka diretso ka na Leda yun, no?
Yeah.
Pinadrive kita?
No, that's the cottage is closed now. The cottage, remember?
No. Yun the first time
Oh,
na
the
you
first
drive in my car
Yeah.
Moscow ka?
She let me drive her car.
until Leda's house.
Until we reached Lena's house. I didn't have a car then.
So she's like very scared, like, no, go, straight, go.
I'm not scared to drive. I'm scared because it's not my car.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
With my car.
Yeah.
But she's getting used with my car now.
Yeah, that's why I got the same exact car.
Except car.
That's the one I've been driving.
She felt comfortable driving my car, so
She wants to.
she bought one too. I'm really surprised. Okay, I bought the car already, huh?
She had a BMW. She was like a BMW too.
But you can update now your car.
I know. They've been messaging me
Boy.
to
Update
the
your
dealer.
car.
Upgrade.
Upgrade your car. Upgrade.
But I don't know how it works.
It wants you to upgrade so that your payment plan keeps going on with
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't know how it works. Like, will I be paying more?
But you never tell them how much you want to pay monthly, ever. Say what's the best offer? Let's say, if my budget's 300, they'll make it happen, but it's be a longer period of time to pay it off.
Oh,
More interest.
so you're gonna do it like that.
And don't tell them how much you want to pay a month.
Oh, okay. I think that your car is a bit expensive because the kilometers
It's already 118.
yeah, so because I think they base it also on the kilometers, right? How you drove the car, like
The history.
the history of the car, so based on my other cars is like it's only like 69 kilometers for almost 7 years.
Never drove it.
We're not usually driving it.
my son. Red light, and then
here are the yellow lights.
accident with the 2 cars.
2 cars turning left and didn't give way for them. For me, I don't care. Even if it's red, it's
Oh, me too. Yeah, I wait. Yeah, I wait because
nobody wants
there's some majority don't pay attention with it.
unless I have drunk a really ugly car and I want to change. Okay, I want a new car.
But it's just only like for to hit the car. But how about your lives too? My goodness.
Yeah, other people's lives too.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And all that stress to just deal with that stuff. So bad. You won't like that. When I did my accident, my God, I hated it. So much running around. Stress. Oh, half 28 minutes.
Yay! Yeah, almost there, almost there. This is so fast. Drive so fast. It's like only an hour drive.
Oh, tumawag na sila.
Yes.
Tumawag na sila. It's just mild.
Wala nga.
So what does he have?
Nothing.
Oh, that sucks.
Then whatever he has to share it between Alessa and his son.
Son. Yeah. Kung wala kung may makuha si Annalyn ng konti sa kanya, just please what happened. But no, he has no answer, insurance. Tapos yata, the only money that Annalyn can get is from the government and siguro konti lang din sa workplace leave.
You have life insurance? Huh?
Do you have? I need to contact my agent.
I had him when I was 18.
So you don't pay me?
So you are in full pay. I mean, life insurance, you're already like,
Yeah, it's $1 million.
yeah.
Actually got $1 million. Whoever.
Just put it, pagput yun.
You need to revise your beneficiary.
Yeah.
I don't even talk to my mom no more. That's mean to me.
Revise it now. But
Put choice name.
That's a good one.
how did you add your insurance about the savings?
What savings?
Like meron kang makukuha pera. I mean, like for us,
I didn't do that.
like for us, we
Yeah,
have
the what do you call the investment?
investment, yeah. So I really,
Oh, you should be taking out your money from Costco because it's so high now.
Yung share namin.
They never take your money.
Our share. With the
I don't know how to do it.
You know what? How much is
Whenever
it?
try, take it out.
How much per unit today? It's 700 plus.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's
take it
Canadian.
out.
US.
Oh,
That's what I'm
really?
saying. Take it out.
How can I do that?
Ask your work.
Since 4 years
There
already?
should
5
be a
years?
process like to.
How many years now? 4? 5?
Before COVID. Like,
Before
ng COVID. Yeah.
5
Just
years.
planning the
Sa akin, 50 lang. 100 a month. Siya, 150.
Oh wow. So like 200.
It's like 250. Yeah, 200 a month. It's not 200 a month.
That's why-
300 sa kanya, 100 sa akin. So 400 a month.
Ubus-ubus yung pera lagi
But that's
pagka
okay.
dami.
But you should be taking your money out.
Oh, yan.
Ito mo si Cristiano nung nabenta niya yung ano niya, share niya. Ang laki ng tubo niya.
Ask Christian how he takes his money
I know.
out. That's what you should be doing. When the market
Imagine,
is high, take it out.
Wala pang sang taon na nagulog, nabenta niya ng 1,700.
Ayaw namang bata na yung tumulong. Alam mo lang kung paano.
Okay, tinutuloy niya ulit, 50 pa rin siya.
Ha?
You must have an app for that.
There is actually.
No,
Yeah,
but that's
yeah.
for work.
There works app.
Oh.
There are.
Go there,
Or ask your HR.
Okay, I'm gonna ask.
request that.
That money is...
We don't know how much
Yeah,
we got
because then
already.
If we're gonna go down again, then we'll take a picture of what your investment.
It's up. I just checked yesterday. 724.
You have to take your money and I have to take my money in my cash.
So, ang laki ng combo kung how much per unit yung nabili namin dati, di ba?
Yeah. Starting from like, hindi man tayo mo ibili, nagpuhulog lang naman
Pero,
tayo.
ano nila yun?
You're buying it.
Yeah.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
When you give that the spike, you buy it.
I don't know. Pera na nagmatak-matak.
See?
Tapos,
Bumaba pa nga.